The seat is underwater. All right, before we get started on this video, some good news.
Back in stock.
Get it while it lasts.
Yeah, so you guys sold us out within like 2 days last time, but we got some more and we've had lots of people that want to buy more.
It's good. It's dang good. Every time we get some in the shop, I eat it all.
Yeah, so now's your chance. If you guys want to go to motormunchjerky.com, you can get some for yourself. See what the hype's all about, right?
That's right. It's good. There's no hype. It's just good.
It is. It's super good. So anyways, go check it out.
Right. It's a Saturday morning, bright and early, and I'm down to the shop. We got projects going on. The 55's still here. We got the FJ tore apart. The dump truck exhaust isn't finished. Chad brought back the Willys. The Ratlander is outside. Transmission's bad in it. I gotta fix it. There's all sorts of stuff I gotta do, but I'm not doing any of those. I'm headed to the barracks on a recovery mission. So truck's not even unloaded yet, still muddy from our last recovery. We're gonna unload it, head to the barracks and get even more muddy. We got a Lexus SUV of some sort stuck in the river. It's totaled. So this is not a recovery drive home mission. This is a recovery drag out mission. So I got the boys getting all up. All three of them are going with me today because it's Saturday and they're all here. Take them, see what we can do. All right, Jace fueling up. Graydon and Josh are in with Jace. I got Landon in with me. You ready for this, Land? Me too. Let's go get her done. All right, let's do this thing. There's campers everywhere in the barracks. I should have brought orange. We're opening day of the deer hunt. They get shot down here. Look like a buck deer running around? No. I think you're all right then, probably. Well, we're to the river now. Now we run down the river for a ways and see if we can find this car. I'm sure we can find it unless it floated away last night. It's sunk. Oh! Holy mamacita, Rosarita. That one's in the water. What were they doing there? Oh, we're going swimming, boys and girls. Oh, let's go assess this. Oh man, the seat is underwater. We're gonna have paper, rock, scissors for who's going in.
I ain't getting in, I know that.
you lose paper, rock, scissors, you are.
I ain't going in.
See the rock? Anywhere there's a rock in the river, bad news, don't drive there.
Hey, if they were here, I'd tell them not to drive into
You can't park there.
Holy, what'd they do?
Well, it appears that they got stuck.
Were they just driving up the river?
Yeah, I think that's what they're doing.
The motor's toast, I think.
Oh, yeah, this whole car's toast. Someone's got a hook strap on.
They got one hooked to it.
I mean, we'll try it. I mean, I gotta lift it up is the problem. I need to hook.
You can hook to it, you know?
I mean, I can get frostbite and go in the water.
You'll go in the water?
Hey, we got it.
We have a volunteer. He is tribute.
I volunteer as tribute.
We'll figure this out. This is a hair interesting here. I don't know what size of tires this car has on it, but they're gone. So I don't know if this car has a lift on it either. I hope it doesn't, because that'll mean the water's even deeper. But we're just making a game plan. If it has a receiver hitch, I want to hook onto it and lift it up and come out this way with it. If it doesn't, well then, we're gonna go fully submerged, hook around an axle or something and drag it out that way, so. Yeehaw. better have a receiver hitch. I guess if not, I just got to go to the front. So, well, let's do it.
Does it?
Yep. That's warm. Woo!
Looks like it.
No, it ain't. It's cold crap. Woo!
See if we can catch some little fishies with the pole. Like 4,000-pound line. Or catch a Goliath grouper. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Hook set. You got tension in the line? It's a big old fishy.
It's moving.
Come on, Betsy. Get out of the river.
I see a tire.
I don't see tires yet. Front tires off the ground.
I'm gonna go unlock the steering wheel and all the stuff.
Oh no.
We got transportation neutral. That's good enough.
That'll work.
Jay's caught himself. Jay's caught himself a tree. And how is it getting caught in a tree? Great.
I believe you can pull forward.
I think we got it.
Yeah, I believe you can pull forward.
That was cold. We'll unhook it, hook onto the front. Alright, I'm gonna pull around the front of this thing. We're gonna hook on, hook these little short ropes on that I have, tow this thing out of here.
Try to drain this thing out. That door's locked. There's water's in her still. Oh, there's a lot in her still.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can find somewhere to hook under this thing that's solid enough to pick it up, and away we'll go with it. She's got some water in her.
Oh yeah.
Pretty bad. Had 33-inch tires on it just for reference. go. See if we can figure this out.
The electric seat?
Yeah. No battery power to get the out of park. It's just gonna turn.
Okay.
Let's ease out of here, see if we can not tip this thing upside down. For sure.
How are you guys?
We're good.
Good. Good to see
I'll be better when I'm warmer.
Never met you, but holy
Yeah.
shit.
You guys are
We
like
watch
part
you
of
every
our
Sunday.
Sunday.
Perfect. We love it. It's that deep where I went in. Yeah, that deep.
Sorry about it.
You're good. Yep. Thank you guys. Just poke along nice and slow.
I got close.
Yeah, but it won't hit.
It won't.
Shouldn't. Lots of fans in the barracks today.
Yeah.
We're about to some road. I think we'll leave it right here. It's a good spot. All right, that was a whole lot of effort by everybody, but we got it done. And no harm done. It's all pulled out. We didn't break any parts today, so life is good. Thanks for watching.
Tour with me and Josh. Let's see if we can fall into the river. Okay, you go first. Sketchy part. He made it. My turn. Oh, frick! See if Jace makes it. Hey, we made it though.